What I discovered at Zoomtopia is that in the hands of a professional broadcaster, Zoom video communication can do so many helpful things that will help all of us earn bigger incomes. It's so much more than just another way or a place to tell your story that it's been challenging really to explain it all. You know, it does so many things. It's kind of overwhelming. It's like the ultimate tool. For example, I think now the ideal way to tell your story, I've kind of changed from, telling your own story, just another elevator pitch or speech, into using client testimonials, but using them in a slightly different way of a serial testimonial string that actually tells your story for you out of the words of the mouths of your own best clients on video. And now we can do that so much better with Zoom. So here's the facts. Black Friday was a retail bust this year. That's the old way. On the other hand, Cyber Monday was a meteoric explosion this year, growing 20% over last year. Want 20% more clients this year? Don't waste another dime on cyber advertising. Don't waste another minute on social media confusion. Eliminate what doesn't work. Get your clients with Zoom Media Marketing, the affordable and effective cyber alternative. Zoom Media Marketing eliminates problems with LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube video production, Google AdWords, email list building, local networking, chamber mixers, and solopreneur isolation. Our Zoom Media Marketing Group transforms solopreneurs into incomepreneurs. We eliminate what doesn't work. You can get Zoom for free and stay or remain a solopreneur, or you can become a Zoom Video Pro. Our Zoom Media Marketing Group is for pros to get clients, pros who want more speaking gigs, authors who want to get book marketing. Pros can transform from solopreneurs into incomepreneurs with Zoom Media Marketing.us. You need to see the client testimonials on video, power partner testimonials, influencers on video that we've already recorded in our Wolfpack. We recorded them for each other in a recording session where we all recorded testimonials for each other. So if you'll just email me, I'll show you what I'm talking about. But Zoom Media Marketing does so much more than video testimonials alone. That's why we started our Zoom group, to eliminate all of the things that don't work. So remember, without video testimonials in the new cyber economy, a terrible thing happens. Nothing. That's it. It eliminates a lot of fuss and muss and tweaking and things that don't work, and really focuses on your time and energy on the things that do work. So any feedback on it, I'd appreciate.
Okay. All right. Any feedback from anybody else?
I'm thinking too, but yeah, Mike, you're right on. I mean, it's so true. It's like what was working, 3 to 6 months ago is not working anymore.
Right.
People are saturated. They're overwhelmed. They're like, how many more apps can I get? How many more platforms can I be on? And it's really a matter of like, like you said, who is your market? Who is that? And know how to find where they are, and be able to get your stuff in front of their, we're dealing with that too right now. I'm super curious on how that works with Zoom. So.
Well, let me explain that, Glenda, because what I concentrate on is the leads that are waiting for you. They're just waiting. You don't even have to go find them. They're waiting, and they are at Chamber of Commerce mixers. Now, you've got to be interested in that group for this to be true, but look at how many millions of Chamber of Commerce members are. All these groups that are there, going there, waiting. Hey, we're here. Come meet us. We want to meet you. We want to grow this group. Come. So all you have to do is go. You can't build an entire meaningful relationship in a 30-second elevator pitch, but you can say, you know what? I want to get to know you better. I'd like to invite you to join me on a one-to-one Zoom meeting so we can start to form a relationship. Get to know each other. Become power partners or referral partners. Would you be interested in doing that with me? Can I send you an email tomorrow? Will you open it and look at what I have in mind, and then maybe click on it instead of time to sit down with me on a 15-minute Zoom meeting so we can get to know each other better and start the relationship? Because you can't create new old friends. You have to start a relationship someplace. Let's get together, swap information, and see if we can at least become referral partners.
Gotcha. Yeah, absolutely. I think that makes a lot of sense.
People underutilize these groups. They're wandering around looking for leads, and these groups are there saying, please network with us. Okay. All you got to do is take them up in the offer. Just go. If you take the pressure off and you don't have to build the whole relationship there, then it's just fun. It's interesting. And the numbers are so big that you could be wrong 9 out of 10 times and still get a lot of business out of it. It's just so simple. It seems to me the marriage between local mixer networking and Zoom meetings, one-to-one or one-to-many, online or offline, with or without a website. Eliminate all the other stuff. Just get focused. Eliminate the stuff that doesn't work. You can focus on the simple things that do work. Get traction, proof, testimonials, and then grow it globally if you want, or stay local. But just go simple.
Yeah, totally. I'm just finding that out. It's like getting anything done and having it grow properly is you got to stay focused. And sometimes with us artistic types, we have a lot of things to focus on, and there's not enough time to like really do that. So it gets diluted.
Simplicity is a gain.
Especially these days.
Yes, exactly. And that's like a total bullseye win. To gain clarity, that is may be the most rare commodity on the planet right now.
No, it's like it should be the mantra.
Exactly. I want clarity.
I know. It's so true. It's so true. And it's so easy to get seduced and distracted, and this going here. And if you're an entrepreneur and you're just a one man, it can be extremely challenging. So I totally get it. My first and foremost love is I'm a singer, songwriter, activist, entertainer. That's who I am. That's my core. That's what my gifts are. And I've got other things that I've set up for myself, trying to point it all back to oh, I love that teacher, or, oh, I love your music, or yes, come perform for me. That's where I'm coming from. Inside of like Global Badass Goddess, that type of thing. It's like I try to set it up so it's a win for everybody.
Maybe the word could be streamline.
That's good. I like that. Thank you, Sunil. I want to comment on Glenda too. Now, Glenda, think of this for a minute, okay? Think of your clients, prospects, whoever, your true believers in you. Think of them telling your story, not you. Them telling the impact your music, your art, your vision has had on them. This is who Glenda is, folks. This is how she helped me. This is what I saw. This is why I went. This is why I support her. This is meaningful to me. And if that resonates with you, join Glenda, that kind of thing. I think how much more powerful that is when you have 10 video testimonials or audio testimonials, whatever, and doing a drip campaign with another reason to get involved with you, coming out of the words of people that you have helped and have transformed. Think of the power of that.
Yeah, I love it. I really love it.
Yeah, that's quite well said, Mike. It's almost like you're marrying two things, right? I mean, one is people like Glenn who want to market more easily, more streamlined, or more in a more clarified manner, and then hooking her up with the Chamber of Commerce. That's extremely valuable and very unique.
Melody, Lucy, and Becky and me, we got together, and on Zoom, I ran a recording session, and we each recorded a testimonial for the other one. So we have 12 video testimonials that we gathered in an hour. That's really cool use of time, And so anybody who wants to, I'll put my email. Just send me an email. I'll send you the testimonials where it's just them on screen. I'm not in it at all. It's their face on screen, nothing else, just talking from their heart about working with the other person in our wolf pack. It's just pure.
Okay, why don't you send me that email too, and I'll get it up to some of my people, or at least promote it within GBN.
Yeah, we're putting together an offer because everybody said in our group, they said, Mike, no more free sessions. We're gonna make it super affordable, but you know, to be true to the group and all the work and effort they've all put in, we want to grow this into an incomepreneur opportunity for everybody, and it is. And so I've got, you know, we've worked on a really incredibly low cost program for people either who want to record their own through Zoom, but do it with our 4-week boot camp coaching about how to recruit people to be involved in a video testimonial recording session, how to prep them, how to invite them, or we can do it for you. We can be on the call and participate and help, or you can do it yourself. But so in order to make sure that people succeed with it, we're not only offering the boot camp for only $197, but we're offering not one but 2 free video testimonial recording sessions with that, so they don't even have to try and do it on their own. We're going to do it with them, and we guarantee it's a 100% satisfaction money back guarantee. So you can't lose for 2 reasons. One, it's got a money back guarantee, and 2, I won't let you lose or fail. It's that simple. That's my commitment.
Do you have a write-up for it?
That's what I've been working on, because everybody's in the group who've seen it and been involved. They're super excited about it and see huge potential for being able to help so many people with it.
Okay, great, awesome.
The cool thing about it is the testimonials speak for themselves, even on this testimonial offer. You know, they look at them. Do you want these? Do you want this kind of testimonial? Even if you don't already have clients, if you join our group, we have another way to kind of give you ethical testimonials from us just by working together and getting to know each other.
Do you have a sample link, Mike?
Yeah, we've got 12 testimonials. I think they really speak for themselves. They're so flexible that they can be almost anything. And then, like somebody said, so this is like creating a domino effect. The more video testimonials you have, the more clients you're going to get. The more clients you get, knowing you're going to be able to turn them all into another video testimonial, either a client testimonial or a power partner testimonial. So if you're a realtor and you want to bring a mortgage broker with you, then you can record video testimonials for each other. You know, so I mean, it's really kind of an unstoppable momentum. You know, once you get a domino effect going, you break the chicken egg cycle of, you know, how do you get video testimonials who are raving fans if you don't have raving fans who are clients? Well, you have to build them. But once you break out of that by, you know, working with collaborators, and then also you're getting more and more clients, then it just grows and grows and grows. That's the plan, is the domino effect. You put them right in an email. I'm going to network with you, sir, and now I'm going to follow up with an email tomorrow. I'm going to send you some links, and each of these testimonial is a demonstration of a different thing that we do. So if you're interested in this, here's Becky talking about working with me doing that. If you're interested in this, here's Lucy giving a testimonial about working with me on this. And so there's so many ways to use these little videos. And then Ron Coming can take a video that you're happy with. He can get it ranked #1 on your local search. That's organic search. That's not advertising. That's organic search. Ron can get that ranked on your keywords. That's why I say without video testimonials in this new cyber economy, a terrible thing happens, nothing, because that's kind of how this works. We see it, Black Friday, retail, the old world, the old way. That's going downhill. Why be on the elevator going down when you can be in the Cyber Monday 20% growth, the elevator that's going up? So Zoom media marketing is the fastest way to transition painlessly to the new cyber economy.